Hello my dear friends, this is Advocate Tabassum Sheikh. A very warm welcome to all of you, and I am back again with a video on analyzing the contents of 712 extract. Okay, as we have already discussed some of the initial contents on my previous video, so let's continue today with the remaining contents of 712 extract. So let's begin one by one. Now the next content is mutation entry. The number mentioned in the illustration is mutation entry, is also known as फेरफार in Marathi. This indicates how the person acquires a right over a particular piece of land, whether by sale deed or by lease deed, by mortgage deed, by gift deed, by order of the court or the revenue code, etc. For example, if anyone's name is recorded on the column of title holder, then how this person name appear on 712 extract as a title holder, for this we have to refer to the number which is called as the mutation entry. Now this mutation entry, it will showcase all the details of the title holder on 712 extract. It means that it will showcase that how this person name appear, whether through the sale deed or by the gift deed or mortgage deed or by the order of civil court or revenue code, etc. So this was about the mutation entry. Further, unless the mutation entry is certified in the mutation register, it should not be recorded in the record of rights. Any pencil entry on the record of rights would mean that it is not certified as per Section 13 of Maharashtra Land Revenue Record of Rights and Register Preparation and Maintenance Rules 1971. Further, the question arises, does this mutation entry is a conclusive proof for the title over the land? The answer is in negative. In case of Bhimabai Mahadev Kambekar versus Arthur Import and Export Company, in the year 2019, the Honorable Supreme Court held that the mutation entry, it does not create or extinguish any title over the land, nor it has any presumptive value over the title of land. Basically, it is just useful for the fiscal purposes to ensure that whether the revenue is paid by a person whose name is recorded on 712 extract. So this mutation entry is very important. One must note and consider while purchasing the property. One must also note that it does not consider as a conclusive proof. It is just useful for fiscal purposes. The next content is Khate Kramank. It indicates the account number from Khate Pushtika issued under MLR Code 1966, Khate Pushtika, that is booklet, Preparation, Issue and Maintenance Rules 1971. Also, Village Form 8A, it contains the details of khatedar names, their account numbers, and whatever the taxes are payable by such account holders is entered by the talati. Further, all the land holders are provided by such booklet, which is known as Khate Pushtika. Now, the next content is Kulache Now. Now, this indicates the name of all the persons who are cultivating on land or the name of the tenants. Now, the next content is Shetache Sthanik Now, that is the local name of the field. Considering the shape and the location of the field, farmers, they give local name to their fields. For example, Uhalache Marg. It means the field where the spring water is flowing. Now this, it proves very useful for the farmers, like the local name. It proves very useful for the farmers in finding out the exact location of the field. The next content is Lagvadi Yogya Kshetra. It means the area which is fit for cultivation. Okay, so how much of the area, total area, is fit for cultivation is mentioned in hectares, acres, gunta or hours. It is also to be noted that if the land is not agricultural, then it is written as bin sheti. Okay, so one should be careful while going through this content. Let's move on to the next content, that is Pot Kharaba or Lagvadi Yogya Naslele. Okay, here now this land, it means the land which is unfit for cultivation. So this is classified into Varg A and Varg B, that is category A and category B. Now category A, it includes or it consists of those lands which is unfit for cultivation due to the rocky lands, like land under nala or farm building. It comes under category A. Varg B or category B, it consists of land unfit for cultivation due to the land reserved for public purposes, for example like road, reserve footpath or public places for drinking water, etc. The next content is Akarni. Now this indicates the amount of assessment or the revenue paid by the landholder. Now the next content is Judi Kiva Vishesh Akarni. This indicates the revenue or the tax paid by the person to whom the land is given by government. Okay, so my dear friends, this much was all about the content for this video. This much is enough for today. I'm just planning to cover the contents in a short videos. In the next video, I will be discussing with you about some important entries which one must note before purchasing any land. So stay connected with me for the further next video. Do like this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you.
Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.